Hello, hello from the other side. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adedayo. 10 Finger Signature. 10 Finger Signature is our brand. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. What we're talking about today is about our end gun and how we can use our end gun. This moment I'll be showing you how we can make use of our end gun to give our end line a top-notch finishing. So this is one of the line, the end line we used the end gun for, and you can see this looks so beautiful and neat. You can see the inner part of the fabric. The inner part of the fabric is looking so beautiful as well. So I'll be showing us how we actually came about this beautiful end line finishing. So if you're really interested, stay tuned. Welcome back. So that if you're using an end gun, this is our end gun for your end line finishing, or maybe your sleeve finishing. It might be the top end line, it might be your skirt end line, your dresses end line. It depends on the end line you're using your end gun for. At least your end line allowance should be 1.5 inches, that is 1.5 inches at least, so as to give you a perfect folding. You can go up like 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, depend on what you're trying to achieve. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be folding in just the basic, the 1.5 inches, and this is our 1.5. Going to notch it. Notch it here. At the 1.5 and also 1.5. The thing is, you won't place your hemibond directly. You will need to fold it with iron before placing your hemibond. The first folding will be at our notch. We fold our 1.5 is accurate. We are permitted to measure again and again, even at the middle. So we can decide to fold a quarter hem or fold a half inch in. But right now I'll be folding half inch inward. You can also notch this part. And also to tell you that our hemibond is on 1 inch. So that's why I said at least we should make our folding 1.5. So we don't want it low inside of this. This is cool. And be careful, you don't put this beside the iron. The iron will eat everything up. So when you're ironing, you take it far away. So now that I've given my hem allowance a good ironing, you can see the way it looks without any gum ready. So let's see how we're gonna place our any gum in this. So this is it. So the next thing we're doing now is checking now. I don't like wasting my Hemi gum, so I do check. If this is enough, I'll cut from there. Now, placing my Hemi gum, placing it far away from the Hemi. So now, this is just the Hemi gum I'm going to use for this part. So I'll open. Now that I've folded it in, like about ½ inch inward, you can see it's going to be very easy for me to place my Hemi gum, and I won't even struggle with it. I'm not going to struggle with it at all. Just need to fold it back in. I'm placing it back. And that is it. Use a steaming iron. That is gonna help you. Steaming iron. You can see this is a good deal. And you have how many it is. I can decide to leave it this way and not even sew it. Depends on what you want. But as for me, I'm going to sew this and show you how this really looks after sewing. You're placing the Hemi gum and folding at the same time. It's not going to come out very well. It's going to look rough. But now you can see how simple it is. I folded the fabric. I ironed it before placing my Hemi gum. Now that I've seen my Hemi allowance, I need to give it a good twist, like ironing it the more, and we are through. Now I purposely use this thread so that you all can see what we did here. It's a good job. So this is the back. My dear, I'm expecting you guys to give me a thumbs up and also share and comment down below. You can also give me good content that I can actually share with you guys. I love you guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because we have a lot of good content we are going to share with you. So I'd love to see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.